In this video, I'll show you how you can connect DeepSeek to n8n. So it's really simple, just follow my steps. So first step, open your workflow in n8n and click on this plus button. And from here, search for DeepSeek, this chat model, click on this one. And from here, you need to select the credentials. So I'm gonna create new ones. So click on create new credential. And from here, you need to paste your DeepSeek API key. So how you can find this, go to deepseek.com and from here click on the API platform in top right corner. From here you need to sign in through your account. If you don't have one, you can create one, and then you can here top up your balance so to be able to use it. And then you can click on the API keys on the left side and then choose create new API key. You can type your name, for example n8n, and then click create API key. Then you can copy this key, click copy and paste it here and click save. As you can see, connection tested successfully. Now from here you can choose your model, so DeepSeek Chat or Reasoner. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. And from here you can also add options. So as you can see, you can choose timeout, presence, penalty and stuff like that. Then once you have it, you can click away, and as you can see, I'm gonna click on execute workflow and it's working. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.